Ayun, bumati ka sa mga subscriber ko. Mamaya, nasa YouTube ka na.
Kaya nga sabi ko, nagbablog. Hawak ko ang beat, hawak ko ang beat.
Dalawa ba yung surfboard mo?
Hawak ko ang beat. Medyo mahirap po, wala, hindi ka makakabalik. Iwan pa lang po namin.
Mahirap sa senior, ano?
Walang kuhanin namin dito ng steps. Nice, yeah.
Yeah, ang ganda. Oh.
I have a picture
Natural.
Ano?
Oh.
Picture daw, picture.
Hindi po ito. Hindi po ako.
Baba po siya.
Forescape. Oceanic on Thompson.
The room is still. Your hand finds mine. Time drips slow, like honey and wine. Every breath between us hums so low. The world fades out.
Ito yung balcony sa Phillip Island.
Velvet, skin to skin. Let the silence pull me in. Every heartbeat soft and red. The room is still. Your hand finds mine. Time drips slow,
Room number 1.
like honey and wine.
King size.
Every breath between us hums so
King size
low.
bed.
The world
Room number
fades
2.
out. We just glow. Velvet, skin to skin. Let the silence pull me in. Every heartbeat soft and red.
Toilet. Dining. Kitchen.
The room is still. Your hand finds mine. Time drips slow,
And room number 3.
like honey and wine. Every breath between us hums so low. The world fades
Laundry.
out.
The laundry.
We just glow. Velvet, skin to skin. Let the silence pull me in. Every heartbeat soft and red.
Gelato.
Eri si Lolo.
Anong gusto niyo?
Gusto mo ba, no?
Hindi, bawal sa akin. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog. Welcome back to our channel.
Subscribe.
Kasi pupunta ka doon po, kapila mo. Close. Buti hindi pa na ng Indian yung ng Pilipino. Hindi pa
Ale.
na i-infiltrate.
Anong Pilipino?
Yung mga Indian na sa Uber halos lalo na nung COVID pag pupunta ako sa sa mga take away kakaupo bili ka na naman dito tapos yung mga napakakain. Doon tayo sa banda doon. Nag-uupo.
Yo, ano masasabi mo sa Phillip Island?
Na?
Ano masasabi mo sa Phillip Island?
Maganda tol.
Maganda.
Nice.
Ano?
Maganda, nice.
Lalampas pa ng 10 years ang buhay mo kasi
Oo.
yung SIM mo eh.
Oo, pagaganto ayos ito, yan. Kaya tignan mo yung mga sightseeing na lang tol. Ayos.
Ayos na ayos.
Upuan. Pati yung mga tignan mo. Ganda tol. Ayos.
Panalo.
Ayos itong spot na ito. Nice. Ay, nice spot
Oo, panalo. Para ako nasa preso nito. Oh. Ibalik niyo ako sa Pilipinas.
Oo.
Ibalik.
Vlogger yan eh.
Uwian na.
Nagbablog yan eh. Binablog yan tol. Interview yun.
Anong masasabi mo sa Phillip Island?
Batang 60s. Ayan o. Buksan na tol.
Ha? Hindi, nagbi-blink yung pula, oh. Nagre-record yan, oh. Yun, oh. Oh.
Ayun sila test. Sila Nida.
Nagbi-blink, oh. Nagre-record.
Ayun sila.
Na-edit naman yun, di ba?
Ah. Ayun, pub yun. Kagabi, bukas yun. Yung pub, may mga ilaw. Oh, yung sa harap.
Pub ba yan?
Oh.
Hindi nataon lang na pupunta rito.
Ikaw ang nag-drive.
Bumisita.
Galing
Pilipinas. Nataon na pupunta rito. Kaya...
Tama-tama lang. Parang spring. Parang spring weather. Parents and guys is like, Grand Prix circuit.
Don't hit my line, I don't need that. Don't tell me why, I don't need that. Don't tell me I'm fine, I don't need that. Don't just lie to lie, I don't need that. I don't need that, I don't need that. Cause I'm way too high and I don't need that. Said you're sorry, but I need to take a second to look through
Phillip
my messages,
Island
'cause I
Grand
know you
Prix
didn't mean
circuit.
that.
Huh?
He didn't mean that. Don't tell me why, I don't need that. Don't tell me I'm fine, I don't need that. Don't just lie to lie, I don't need that. I don't need that, I don't need that. Cause I'm way too high and I don't need that. Said you're sorry, but I need to take a second to look through my messages, cause I know you didn't mean that. I liked you better, living in my head. It's
Oh, looky.
it's alright in 1 ear and right
Peter Brock.
the flip my line, I don't need that. Don't tell me why, I don't need that. Don't tell me I'm fine, I don't need that. Don't just lie to lie, I don't need that.
Gardner.
I don't need that, I don't need that. Cause I'm way too high, and I don't need
1989.
that. Said you're sorry, but I need to take a second and look through my messages, cause I know you didn't mean that. You didn't mean that. Don't tell me why, I don't need that. Don't tell me I'm fine, I don't need that. Don't just lie to lie, I don't need that. I don't need that, I don't need that. Cause I'm way too high and I don't need that. Said you're sorry, but I need to take a second and look through my messages, cause I know you didn't mean that. I liked you
Sila
better.
dun, sila Gracia.
Living in my head, it's alright. It's alright. In one ear and right out the other. That's my line. That's my.
Ay, teka, naiwan ko yung phone sa car eh.
Okay, that's alright. I tried to call her.
Ah, ayun, ano.
Yeah, para...
Hindi motorcycle, ano.
Hindi,
No.
hindi. Stop
Ayun o, ayun.
Oh, shit, yeah.
It's gonna pass me.
Galing. Sabihin mo, pumunta rito para makita.
Hindi nag-pick up eh.
Kung titingnan mo, ano, bilis, ano, kakatakot.
Papuntahin mo sila. Ano,
Parang yung speed nila, ano.
papuntahin mo sila. Junior.
Makakabili niyan, eh, no? Sa Victoria Market, wala niyan.
Victoria Market at made in China.
Pero medyo mahal, 770. Austin 7. Pyramid Rock.
My chick got famous just from being around me. Manifested this, I painted it right in front of her. I used to
Ah?
call me, I painted
Ah, ah.
in double. But I get in my thoughts, I'm inside paranoid. When I get in my thoughts, I'm outside paranoid. And you attracted
Dito pala dumadaan yung mga balyena. Mga whales.
she didn't know me hardly. But I walked into the party. Saw everything I
Oh,
wanted. Said don't think about
20.
walking like Jeff Hardy. Jump out of bed like Jordan. I kinda read it.
Pyramid Rock.
Off in the phone, I'm on 10. I wanna be on time and I'm in the booth, it's really no talking.
Layo pa, ang layo.
Let's talk too much, so I know we locked in.
Oh, ano yun? Yun, oh. May umaalon doon, oh. Baka whale. Daanan daw to ng whale, eh.
Whale ba yun?
Yeah, it's nice. The Penguin Parade Visitor Center.
Who cares about the ocean when I bought a lake of wine? Fish can die. I never cared for caviar when I dine. When I dine. Oh no, when I dine. Oh, when I dine. Caviar when I dine.
What can you say about the penguin parade?
Very nice. Very good.
Fantastic.
Fantastic lang.
Fantastic furniture.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I agree.
Yeah.
Very nice. Eh, dito kayo, ayun o, mag-catch daw kayo ng ano, ng fish. How many fish you can catch?
Oh, really? Oo nga, ano?
Ayan, magka...
Diyan o, pumasok kayo dyan.
Manuel, what can you say about the penguin parade? Ito, photo booth to.
Mga nag-ano na po.
Sila mo kababa, eto.
Uy, mas mabait pa sa tao.
O kulay olive yung ano, yung nose nila, ano.
Okay. Kumusta kayo? Sabi nga nun.
They cannot understand Filipino daw, tita. Sabi niya, I am Australia. I'm
Sabi nga, can you get an interpreter?
Oh, ang laki ng pakpak.
We can't understand you.
Interpreter, please.
Hindi sila takot sa
Hindi maanes, ano?
Bawang luya, meron kayo. Kanina, iniisip din natin ano. Yan.
Pokak?
Iniisip
Parang
na.
pokak, di ba po tayo?
Oo.
Ito isa. oh.
Nagkahanap pa.
Hindi naman kami sukain.
Akala namin kami yung pinatitig.
Yun. Panalo si Onyo.
Dati natin ginagawa ito noon.
Oo.
Miss natin to, no?
Pero ngayon, hindi na natin malalaman ng yun lang pagkaiba. Yung pagkain kakat natin ng mga ganyan. Medyo ano na ano. Daan-daan, hindi na pwede. Hindi na tulad ng dati, mga lam.
Sure. Dalawang tourist sa Philippines. Ano nga pala ulit ang name niya? Jessie Lynn and Lynn and Audrey. Oh. And Aubrey was her name.
With a D.
Audrey. Tapos dito sa kabilang court si Manuel ang chef. Ayan. Yeah. Yan ang master chef. Oh, hindi, video yan, video. Oh. Masarap ba yan?
Ito,
Tagal, ano?
Pinoy.
Oo. Panglasang Pinoy.
Sukat bawang. Dito
Ang lamig pa.
Ano yan, binablog si Manuel Ani. Ayan ba magsalita na?
Ito ang ano. Ito maghahakot na maraming pera sa views.
Oh,
Press like and hit the notification button.
pag nakita si Manuel dyan eh, tsaka maraming maglalike sa'yo. Diyos, love you. Pati ano si Manuel sa bayan.
Okay. Pag dumating yung bayad.
Magkano nga 100,000 hits? Meron ka ng pera, no?
Ay, hindi lang. Kahit mga 1,000 views.
1,000 views.
1,000 views. Oo. Ewan ko. Hindi ko pa naranasan. Hindi ko pa naranasan.
Then pagka yung vlog mo, merong commercial.
Oh, pero lalagyan ka ng commercial kung marami kang views. Kung maraming nanonood sa'yo. Kung wala,
Ano ba, binaster ka?
hindi ka papansinin. Hindi ka papansinin ng YouTube.
Kasi nagre-reply sila. So ano rin yun?
Ikaw din yan.
Sabihin na nanonood. Sino yung nanay niyo? Yung nanay niyo.
Kapatid po ni Tita. Magkapatid. Magkakapatid po yung ano namin.
Kasi ang nasa isip ko yung nasa Malaysia.
Kapatid din na yun.
Oh, pero hindi yun ang nanay niyo.
Hindi na nga.
Sasabunutan na kita eh.
Ayun. Ano? Ano ba sinasabi niyo ano? Ano ba sinasabi niyo Sabado? Di ko maintindihan.
Meron pala tong ano, dementia. Oo.
Saan ba tayo sa Sabado? Anong ba Manuel? Ano ba, hindi ka matitino?
Dati ko yung mga misa para tuminom.
Anantiko ko lang.
Bigyan mo ng isa para magtanda. Kanya naman.
Oo.
Kailangan makakuha mo.
Aray. Shit.
Ito, nilita tayo dito.